Peace, what's going on, family? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel. As always, we do have another unboxing right here, so without any further ado, make sure you guys stay locked in and I'll see you right after these quick messages. Peace. And right here we do have the i12s. So this actually does say the TWS True Wireless Stereo i12 auto power on auto pairing 5.0. It's actually misspelled right here, auto panning, but they meant to put pairing. And then right here you can see it says auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect automatically. So these are actually going to be pretty cool, and I'm definitely looking forward to trying these out. I actually did get the red color. You can see right here they do have that lightning cord right here. And it says right here, talking time is 2 to 3 hours, charging time is 40 minutes, input is DC 5 volts 2.4 amps, version 5.0 plus EDR/BLE, and the product name is the wireless earphone. And so let's go ahead and open up the box right now and just slide this up. Let's take a look at how these are going to actually look. And you do see we do have the white color right here. Let's go ahead and look around the outside. It's a little weird. I actually ordered the red color, but we do have the white right here. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side. You do get the lightning cord right here, and you do get that charging type A right here, manual right here for the i12 TWS True Wireless Stereo earphones. So you can see right here they do have auto pairing. Not sure if they're gonna work in both ears during phone calls, but we're gonna go ahead and test these out in just a second, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at how they actually feel. And it says right here both ears can stand for 6 hours. Alright, so let's go ahead and test these things out in some more detail. Let's go ahead and check these out and put them on and see how they actually feel. So let's go ahead first. Let's take these out of the seal right here. Let's go ahead and remove this little plastic. And these look to be one-to-one clones to the Apple Airpods, which is pretty cool. I did unbox the i10 Max, which were actually really cool. I actually accidentally turned that on. Let me turn that off. Also, I did unbox the i7s and the i9s. So these are the i12s, and we're actually pretty cool to see them here on the channel. These are the first ones that I've got that are actually 5.0 Bluetooth. Right here you could see that one of them is charging. Now both of them are charging. Right here you see when you press that button on the back that starts to charge them. So let's go ahead and we're going to fit these in the ear. Let's first take a look at some of the build quality. You do see we are getting here a little stereo right there at the top, plus another little I'm not sure if this is just, looks like it's just design. There's no stereo there. That's just like a color. And then we do get the sound right there. And we do get another chamber right here. So there's 2 chambers, one here, one here. We're going to see if that's going to emit a lot of sound, some good quality in there. Let's go ahead and check these out, put them on and see how they fit in my ear. They're holding pretty decent, so that's actually pretty cool. This side just said connected. Cool. So let's try out some music real quick and see how that's gonna sound. All right, we got both ears now. Sounds pretty good. Sounds really good so far. Now there's no button on here, no physical button. They have auto pairing, so you don't have to even turn them on, which is really cool. So auto pairing, no buttons. Hey Google. So Hey Google still works while the music is playing. Okay. All right. Well, you want me to give you a call later? Okay. All right, cool. All right. All right. Bye-bye. All right. So she was in a loud area, and so she needed me to speak louder for her to hear me. I was able to hear her perfectly fine. Um, and it sounded really good through both ears. So when I spoke up, she was able to hear me a lot better. So far, these feel really good in my ear. They're not falling out or anything. A slimmer fit, it actually holds up. I'm not sure if they're not greasy yet, but they're holding in pretty good. So these are the i12s, guys. I'm definitely liking these so far. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would you pick these up over the Apple AirPods, which are north of $100? And these ones I got for around, check down below in the video section down below so you can check out the price. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for actually staying tuned and staying locked in throughout the whole video. Guys, on the next video.